Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider. Today we've got one from Japan. This is a Zenpop subscription box. They have all sorts of neat stuff inside, lots of different instant noodles, and then, yeah, well, hey, let's open it up and I'll show you. And here we are. So to start things off, of course, as usual, we have a thank you, and I have a note, and thank you. Next, we have this wonderful sheet, and this gives you information about the contents of the box, how to prepare them. This is the flavor Savor pack. They have thematic packs. Yeah, savor the flavor. 8 different varieties in this pack. Pretty cool. All right, so first we have a Sapporo Ichiban variety, and on the sheet here, they give you info on each variety. So I'll read what they have to say. Green Premium Vegetable Tenmen. Want to try a healthier version of cup noodle? This is for you. Plenty of veggies like cabbage, corn, and peppers with vegetable fiber equivalent to a head of lettuce, and noodles made with a whole wheat flour. You won't feel so guilty even after you eat this tenmen at midnight. Next up we have Spicy Barikata Tonkatsu Maze Soba from Myojo of Japan. This is a soupless and spicy version of the other barikata noodles you have in the box. Maze means mixed, so these are just mixed up noodles. The blue packet is spicy, so add it as a topping at the end if you need a little more kick. Alright, and this is like a little tiny mini bowl variety. This is a Marushan Curry Udon. This is a small-sized curry udon, which is excellent for a midnight meal. If you need a bit more food, it would be good to enjoy it with rice balls. Curry and rice is always perfect. Japanese often eat noodles and rice in the same meal. Why don't you try it? And here's another Marushan variety. This is hot somen. Have you ever tried somen? White Japanese wheat flour noodles? Cold somen is a popular Japanese summer dish, but warm somen is for the cooler months. Enjoy the savory bonito broth topped with egg and chicken meatballs and keep your body warm. Alright, now here's something fancy. This is miso butter ramen, and I do believe this comes with a sachet of butter. I bet you were thinking there is not enough butter in your noodles, right? Your wish has come true. Thick and chewy noodles are best for miso butter ramen. This bowl comes with its own butter cube that will melt into rich miso soup, and the soup will become more rich and savory. Note, put in the butter cube right before you eat. This time from Marushan, we have shoyu chicken broth noodles. Chicken broth ramen is not as popular as tonkatsu, but it is so delicious. There are miso, shio, and shoyu ramen as well, but for this month, please try this shoyu chicken broth ramen. Yummy chewy noodles in a fresh but savory dashi is perfect. Here's another one from Ace Cook. This is a yakisoba. It doesn't really look like the right container for yakisoba, but it is. This is shio yakisoba. This shio yakisoba is a bit special. It uses shio kombu, salted kelp, to add saltiness to the yakisoba. Shio kombu is very useful. We use it for rice balls to add saltiness, to make pickles. Haven't tried shio kombu yakisoba? Try it. I assure you it tastes delicious. And finally, the last one we got here is from Myojo. This is a Charomera Barikata Tonkatsu ramen. Hard, thin, straight noodle fits excellently with thick and rich tonkatsu soup. Cook this one for only 1 minute to experience the Barikata noodle. Alright, so in this, the October Zenpop box, you get healthy veggie noodles, chicken shoyu, Barikata Tonkatsu, curry udon, hot somen, shio yakisoba, buttery miso, spicy barikata, your information sheet, and a thank you. Alright, cool. Well, yeah, there you go. Pretty nice set of ramen for October 2018. Alright, so if you want to get one of these boxes, head on over to zenpop.jp. That's zenpop.jp. And I've got a coupon code. Here it is. Alright, well hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.